going to be doing the volcano challenge we just made up. So, pour it into there. Whistle up. Wait, just get away.
Oh no!
Ah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Woo!
Ooh.
It's going.
Should we add some coloring?
No. Just, oh, let's try to capture some. It records on it.
The ruin?
This is freaking awesome, man. This is freaking awesome, man.
The real ingredients are vinegar.
It's vinegar and baking soda. That's what you need.
But you could color it if you want, with
Yeah,
food
you can color
coloring
it with
or
food
paint.
coloring. Or paint, yeah. Stop the river of doom. Oh, and it went right through him. Oh, look it, guys. Look it. When I stopped it, it turned into like just regular liquid. That is awesome.
Do not touch